Good evening, or good morning, or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. I want you to be warned that this video may contain information to improve your test score on Monday's test. You can have a test on Monday. I need you to listen up. It is not difficult. You are well prepared for it, but you will need to remember to look over some things on Sunday. So here we go. Here's what we need to look at. Once again, do not watch this video unless you want to ace the test on Monday. Some key facts that I know you already know, I just want you to remember. Parallel lines cut by a transversal, like we have here, you need to be able to identify the following angle pairs. Angle 3 and angle 6. How would we describe those? Those are alternate interior angles. They are in between the two parallel lines, yet they are on alternate sides of the transversal. Angle 2 and angle 6. Those are corresponding angles. They are on the same side of the transversal, and they are in the corresponding location. Both of them are above the transversal and on the right-hand side. Angle 1 and angle 7. Those are same side exterior angles. You need to be able to identify those. Second topic, we have a triangle. Given these side lengths, MA is 15, AX is 17, XM is 19. I need you to identify the largest angle. Which of these angles is the largest? Remember, the largest angle is across from the largest side. So that is your largest angle. Angle A is the largest. What's the smallest angle? The smallest angle is across from the smallest side. So this would be your smallest angle. And angle M would be the one in the middle. Can you name the 3 ways to prove triangles are similar? The 3 shortcuts. One of them would be angle-angle similarity theorem. Another one would be side-angle-side similarity theorem. And the third one is side-side-side similarity. Which method, if any, would you use to prove that these triangles are similar? Well, we need to draw those triangles, separating. In order to determine which of these to use, you want to ask yourself, what do I know? What information are they giving me? Well, they're giving me some information about some sides here, and they're giving me any information at all. Are they giving you any information at all about angles? No, they're not, but angle A is actually a part of both triangles, and it is the same exact angle, so it is congruent to itself. Now set up your ratios: 3 to 21, 2 to 14. Check to see if they're proportional. If you simplify this one, you get 1 over 7. You simplify this one, you get 1 over 7. So since the sides are proportional and that angle is a shared angle, or it's used twice, what you have going on here is side-angle-side similarity. Solve for X. These triangles are similar. Well, we're going to draw the 2 triangles separated, and that would be a 16 and an 8. And the larger triangle would be x plus 16, and 8 plus 14 would be 22. So I'm going to set up my ratios. So I have 16 over x plus 16 equals 8 over 22. I'm going to use cross products. 22 times 16 equals, don't forget your parentheses, 8 times x plus 16. Use the distributive property. 22 times 16 is is 352 equals 8x plus 128. Subtract 128 from both sides. 8x is equal to 224. Divide by 8. X is 28. Ray YZ is an angle bisector of the angle XYW. We need to determine the measure of each angle in the picture. So WYZ is 22.5. And if that's the angle bisector, then this other angle is also 22.5. So I know that angle XYZ has a measure of 22.5. Let me also find the measure of angle XYW. Well, it's equal to those two added together, which is 45 degrees. Be sure that you understand that if I took 2 times the measure of angle XYZ, that would give me the measure of angle XYW. Well, similar or no? Which one is it? We're going to be able to prove these are similar. We need to know something about these triangles. We're told about these sides. We have information on 2 sides. So we either need to know something about the third side or we need to know something about an angle. So ask yourself, is there anything that you know about the angle or any of the angles here? And we do. We have some vertical angles here. So I'm going to try to use side, angle, side. So 8 over 16. I'm going to check to see if it's equal to 5 over 10. And it is. Both of those are equal to 1/2. So since they are similar, yes, then I'm going to name them. So I'm going to say triangle ABC, ABC. So I'm leaving A. I'm going to B across the one that I don't know and then ending up at C. So I'm going to start here with A is near the 8, so it goes with the 16. I'm going to start with E. And I'm going to go to D and then to C. Now scale factor. I always told you to go from the first figure to the second figure, but on the assessment you're going to have, you're going to be able to give your answer either way. They're going to accept both of them. So if you went from the top figure to the bottom figure, which is the way we did our proportionality check here, it would be 1/2. But if you did it the other way around, it would be 2 over 1. And depending on which way you go, we'll let both of those be okay answers. So we'll let you get away with both of them. The 2 figures are similar. You need to be able to name them in a similarity statement. So this one starts out A, B, C, D, E, and we want to make sure that we name the second statement to match it. And that's going to be X, Y, Z, V, W. So we're going around the same direction. So just be careful that you pay attention to how things are oriented. Caution, watching and rewatching this video will improve your grade. So only watch and rewatch the video if you want to improve your grade.